Set the folder to letter fold 11 by 17. So we'll put it there for now. Loosen up this knob and this knob, and you turn it till it says 11 right here. Then you just tighten this one down only. Then you do the same thing on this side. You unloosen both of them. You turn it till it says 11. Just tighten that one. We're going to take one sheet of paper and lay it in there. We're going to get it started by hand and run it down. And run it down to here, over here. And I have it flush against this side right here. Pushed all the way up against it. And I come down here, and I'm not square here. So the way I fix that is I make sure this is tightened snugly, not over tighten it, and just turn this, push the knob in and turn it. I push this knob in and I turn it just a little bit until I can look over here and it's flush all the way across. Flush all the way across. Then I tighten this down. Then I come over here and it's flush here, but it's not here. So I push this in and I turn it until I get it almost up to the edge of the paper. And then I snug this one down. So it's just loose in there. Next I want to make sure that this is set correctly. I can raise it by turning it this way. Plus is raised, minus is lower. So I want it to, see if I let it go here, it just goes down in there too loosely. So I want it tight, I want to lower it just a little, so there's just a little bit of drag right here. So when I let it go, it just holds it right there, it doesn't slide on through. Then I come over here and these, one is for the air and one is for the vacuum. So I want to put them about halfway at first. About 50%, I'll adjust it later. This knob directs where the air blows out. So I usually have it up and down. You can turn it to the right, horizontal, or vertical, or anywhere in between. But I usually start right there. Then I know the letter fold is this first one, right here, and I come over to 11 by 17. So I want each tray set on L. Letter fold, and it shows a picture of it. 11 by 17 is L and L. So then I come up here on the first tray, and I move it up to L. See, L's right here. So I rough it in, and then I take this knob and I spin it until it goes down to L. Come over here and I match this one up to L. So right there, they're both on L. That's going to make the first fold. The second fold is back here. To get this tray out, right now it's set up for letter fold, but if I was just going to make a half fold, then I would put this up, and then I get here and I just lift and pull out. See, this is set to a letter fold. If I was just doing a half fold, I'd spin it around. But we're going to leave it right here. And it's got to fit right onto these little knobs. In other words, it's got to sit in this, and this, this, and this one. And they catch right here. So I tilt it down, come up until it catches. This has to go all the way down. If these don't spin all the way down, it's not correct. If you turn it on and it's not in there right, it'll eat up your rollers. So we want to put this one on L too. So we're going to run it out loosely to L. Spin it on down to L. Looking at L. Over here I'm looking at L. So I spin it on down to L. I can move it more by pushing this button in, then this fine tunes it right there. Now we're ready to come over here, and this catches it right here, but this is too far up. So I'm going to want to lower it down to about right there. And just tighten it on both sides. Now it's ready to run a sheet. So then we come over here, turn on the air, and turn on the vacuum. Vacuum sucks it in right there. You don't want to get your hand in there. So we have it roughed out right here. So this first fold is not short enough. So we're going to shorten it up. Do 2 spins there and 2 spins there. Try another spin. That's closer, but still not enough. 2, two. I'm going to come back here and widen this one. You don't have to walk around here. I'm doing the same thing on this bottom one, but I'm giving it more space instead of less. It still needs to come in quite a bit. I'm going to come down a lot. All these settings depend upon the speed. If you have it turned right here, I usually put it right on 5. I don't go any faster than 5. Slow, fast. Run it about 5. This one is closer. I can see it's not exactly right here. So actually, this needs to be tightened up just a little bit. So bring it in a little bit. Needs to be opened up some more. One at the bottom one. When you open the bottom one up, I'll show you what it does. I'm going to run those two. Okay, the first fold is this one right here. It goes in, it makes this fold first, then it makes the second fold. So the first fold I've got, I need to make it a little bit shorter even. So I'm going to come up here and shorten it. I'm going to move this down some more. 2 there and 2 there. We'll get another sheet, see how that looks. That's closer. Now what I'm going to do is shorten this one up. One on the bottom. Part of our problem is the air. I'm going to grab a handful of them, but I'm only going to let one go. Looking good, so I only need to do this one a little bit shorter. Almost perfect. I can keep tweaking it. This shorter. This shorter.
Hold on, which one's shorter?
I made this one shorter.
And then which one?
Here, same thing. I'm working these knobs right here every time. This is the first one. It goes in like this. This tray right here makes the first fold. Then it goes down and gets the second one. So the second one is this fold right here. So now I'm looking at it. I open it up. I look at how it looks across the top and across the bottom. That's pretty square. I can widen this one a little bit. Open it up. Square it up a little more, and then when I do this one,